ये चाहिए हमें कैमरा में थोड़ा स्टाइलिंग बात
Beautiful souls here. So elegant, so beautiful, so dynamic, and with the rhythm. It's a rhythm that is flowing here. I'm literally enjoying. Not even a single minute I felt कि मैं बोलूं पहले मेरी टर्न आ जाए. I was enjoying listening to each one of you. It was so good. So I've got my book where I would like to read 2 poems and then few Indian Punjabi, something I will do. So the title of this book, this is my book 5, Dil Se, which got released on 7th May this year. So I would like to read one poem, A Hug and a Kiss. A hug and a kiss, if honest, is joy we would not like to miss. A hug and a kiss, if honest, is a joy which we would not like to miss. Of love, it is a true expression, leaving each heart with a warm impression. Between father and daughter, brother and sister, a hug and kiss spreads joy through the cluster. Simple and pure, without pretense. Simple and pure, without pretense, for lovers too, it's love's true essence. No wealth can buy, no words dismiss. There's a healing power in a hug and a kiss. There's a healing power in a hug and a kiss. Thank you for your lovely applause, for sharing, making me confidence more. So another one I have written, Mr. Google. How it came out to be, I was talking to my mom and suddenly my Masi's call came and Mama, after listening to the call, said, "आप Google करिए देखिए, तेरे side effects की है." I said, "डॉक्टर तो कुछ बोले नहीं, Google कर." So then I wrote this poem, Mr. Google. Mr. Google knows everything. Oh yes, Mr. Google knows everything. Big or tiny, short or tall, all the details bring. Mr. Google knows everything. Ask him once. And with your one command, ahead he goes. With endless answers and magnificent vision, he always shows. Larry Page and Sergey Brin to Google gave the birth. In 1998, when the world shared its worth. With a single click, factual stories pick. He speaks in facts, in links, in speed. Whatever we ask, Mr. Google takes the lead. Day or night, Mr. Google is awake. Day or night, Mr. Google is awake, solving puzzles for our sake. But to wisdom true, we must still find, which lies beyond the screen, somewhere in the heart and mind. So to wisdom true, we must still find. Mr. Google's reply, be smart and full of might. Mr. Google's reply, be smart and full of might, but can't replace our human light, can't replace our human right. God created us and we created the machine. God created us and we created the machine, but wisdom, empathy and love in a better version in human beings is seen, in human beings it is seen. So, few poems which I wrote in Hindi Punjabi both. गजब है, गजब का रिश्ता है मेरा उससे, गजब का रिश्ता है मेरा उससे, क्या ही ब्याह करूं किसी से। मैं अगर धूप वो है छांव, वो है मरहम अगर मेरा है घाव। शायद आलम है खामोशी का, शायद आलम है खामोशी का, मगर नहीं नामोशी का। एक सादगी भरी तस्वीर, दोनों के बीच एक बेमतलब सी लकीर। फिर भी कहूँ मैं कि मेरा उससे रिश्ता गजब है। फिर भी कहूँ मैं कि मेरा उससे रिश्ता गजब है। कभी खुल के बात नहीं की, मगर काफी है कि एक दूसरे के लिए अदब है, काफी है कि एक दूसरे के लिए अदब है। मोहब्बत। अगर मिले कदी वक्त, अगर मिले कदी वक्त, बनाई एक तस्वीर जिदा नाम है मोहब्बत। पर देवी सोने रंग जो जगावे प्यार दी उमंग। बनांदे होए तस्वीर वेखी अखां च बगे ना नीर। ਉਹਦੀ ਤਿਰਛੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਤਿੱਖੇ ਹੋਣੇ ਨੇ ਤੀਰ, ਉਹਦੀ ਤਿਰਛੀ ਨਜ਼ਰ ਦੇ ਤਿੱਖੇ ਹੋਣੇ ਨੇ ਤੀਰ। ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨਾਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹ ਰੂਬਰੂ, ਦੁਨੀਆ ਨਾਲ ਹੁੰਦੀ ਉਹ ਰੂਬਰੂ, ਅਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣਾ, ਅਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਬਰੂ, ਅਜ਼ੀਜ਼ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਆਬਰੂ। ਮੁਹੱਬਤ ਇੱਕ ਸੱਚਾ ਇਕਰਾਰ, ਮੁਹੱਬਤ ਹੈ ਇੱਕ ਸੱਚਾ ਇਕਰਾਰ, ਨਿਭਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਅਖੀਰ ਤੱਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ, ਨਿਭਾਉਣਾ ਪੈਂਦਾ ਹੈ ਅਖੀਰ ਤੱਕ ਮੇਰੇ ਯਾਰ। We'll just wind up with the last small share. नकाब। चेहरे ते बहुत ने, चेहरे ते बहुत ने, पर पहने हुए ने नकाब। गल्लां करदे ते बहुत ने, पर टोने पैंदे ने सच्चे ख्वाब, टोने पैंदे ने सच्चे ख्वाब। बड़े मुस्कुराउंदे ने, बड़े ही मुस्कुराउंदे ने, आशिकी दे गीत भी गाउंदे ने, पर किते ही ने सच्चियां परीतां, किते ही ने सच्चियां परीतां। बाकी ਤਾਂ ਜਦੋਜਹਿਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਨਿਭਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਰੀਤਾਂ, ਬਾਕੀ ਤੇ ਜਦੋਜਹਿਦ ਕਰਦੇ ਨੇ ਨਿਭਾਉਣ ਲਈ ਰੀਤਾਂ। Thank you so much. You were very nice and listening to me. Thank you so much. I myself Kursima. I would like to invite all these beautiful poets at my NGO. Basically, I am from an NGO Vishnudeep, ਜੋ ਇੱਕ ਬੱਚੀਆਂ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਕੰਮ ਕਰ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। ਤਕਰੀਬਨ 400 450 ਬੱਚੀਆਂ ਨੇ ਜਿਨ੍ਹਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਫ੍ਰੀ ਆਫ ਕੋਰਸ ਐਜੂਕੇਸ਼ਨ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਜਾ ਰਹੀ ਹੈ। 22 ਪਿੰਡਾਂ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਅਸੀਂ ਬੱਚੀਆਂ ਰੋਜ਼ ਲੈ ਕੇ ਆ ਰਹੇ। ਵੀ ਹੈਵ ਗੋਟ our buses. Would love to have this mehfil someday there, and I really want my girls to listen to the matured poetry by the ardent poets like you. It was wonderful being here. Thank you so much.
Would it be okay if we like to listen to some music? So,
I can't sing.
no, that's fine. So we have a group called Music Healers.
Perfect.
And from Timeless Unlimited, we do this. We go to all these amazing
Wonderful,
places
sir,
and just
wonderful.
love giving music out like this.
Right.
So we will definitely connect with you.
I'll have your number and then we can fix it.
Definitely.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for being so generous. Thank you.
Amazing. That level of confidence gives us all so much confidence, and blessings have come to you. So there's going to be
Your
your
first
blessing
blessing is, I bless you, have full clarity when you have to order from the menu. We all need this.
Right, sir, right.
And the second blessing is, I blessed you with the shooting star on a night. You are showing your love on the sky.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you so much. It was so wonderful. Thank you.
So on the count of 3, 1, 2, 3.
Thank you. Thank you.
As promised, early bird
Thank
is
you
going
so
to get